Lindell Audio releases LiN76 Vintage Limiting Amplifier. Welcome to Music Gears, where we bring you the latest info on new music instruments, software, and other gear from around the world. Boutique recording equipment maker Lindell Audio is proud to announce availability of its LiN76 Vintage Limiting Amplifier, aptly designed to recreate the timbres and nuances of 76-style FET, field effect transistor, compressors, duly delivering instant vintage vibe dynamics processing for today's demanding recording studios, as of August 2. As a resident producer at Bohus Sound Recording in Kungälv, Sweden, itself boasting a long and prestigious history that is intrinsically linked to the Swedish recording industry, namesake Lindell Audio founder Tobias Lindell knows only too well what recording equipment works best, boutique or otherwise. It is hardly surprising, therefore, that the most classic and respected sounds of dynamic processors live on in Lindell Audio's aptly named LiN76, proudly designed in Sweden to recreate timbres and nuances of 76-style FET compressors, backed by the vintage limiting amplifier wording boldly blazoned across its no-nonsense front and back panels. Put it this way, with LiN76, it is even possible to replicate the infamous all-button mode made famous by British recording engineers throughout the 70s, reproducing a sound that is still popular today. This secret mode effectively changes the ratio to roughly 20:1, and also changes the bias of the circuit as well as the way that the knobs interact with each other. As a result, the LiN76 becomes much more aggressive, with its reaction knee becoming more like a plateau than a gentle curve with a more aggressive dirty tone that sounds incredible on aggressive drums, while the attack becomes very punchy with a gooey sucking sound on the release. Regular settings, however, are attack, continuously variable 20 microseconds to 800 microseconds, release 50 milliseconds to 1200 milliseconds, and ratio 4:1, 8:1, 12:1, and 20:1, and any combination thereof. Vintage Vibe Dynamics processing continues with a front panel dominating VU, volume unit, meter, metering the amount of gain reduction applied with units selected by the chosen meter mode, +4, meters output level at 0 with +4 dB output, +8, meters output level at 0 with +8 dB output, off is self-explanatory, and GR allows for meter calibration by turning the back panel positioned meter calibration screw until the needle rests at 0, having ensured that no ratio buttons are selected beforehand. Back panel positioned output and input are both balanced line level TRS, tip, ring, and sleeve, rounding out an easy-to-use, solidly built 19-inch rack mounting 2U package, powered by an AC, alternating current, 12V5 a switching supply, adapter included, that weighs in at 8 kilograms, duly delivering instant vintage vibe dynamics processing for today's demanding recording studios. Please click the like button if you found this helpful, and if you'd like to stay informed on the latest in music gear releases and limited time discount offers, please subscribe. Thanks for joining us.